Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you all how to design a 3D printable cup in Fusion 360. So, let's begin. Click L on your keypad to start a sketch. Then use the circle tool and give it a size of your choice. After this, click Finish Sketch. You then need to use the Offset Plane tool, which you can find in the Construct section. Then give the plane a height. Once that is done, then create a new sketch on the plane. Use the circle tool again and make it larger than the first circle. Then click Finish Sketch. Go to the Create section and find Loft tool. Select both circles and a body will automatically appear. Use the Shell tool. This removes material inside which makes it hollow. Use the Fillet tool to round and smoothen the surface of the cup. I hope you all enjoyed the video.